How to enable Help Me Write button on Gmail. To get the AI feature on your Gmail, you will need to sign up on Workspace Lab. Go to the search bar on your web browser and type in Workspace Labs Sign Up. Now click on the first link. Here you will see the Google Workspace. Scroll down to the very bottom and agree to all the terms. After doing that, click on Submit. After you do that, then you will get access to AI. It is a very simple process and it takes no time. Now go back and type in Gmail. Click on the first link and you will land to Gmail. You will see a notification like this. You have gotten Gemini in Gmail. Click on Got it. Now if you see on your message box at the very bottom panel, you will see Help Me Write option. Click on it and write the prompt. You can write anything that you need help with. Just to show you guys, I'm gonna write an email for sick leave. After you have written your prompt, click on Create. It will take no time to generate the email. As you can see, my email has been generated. If you want to do adjustment, you can click on Refine, or you can click on the Recreate option to create again. This is a very short email, so I'm gonna make it more detailed. As you can see, it gets longer and detailed. When you are happy with the generated email, click on Insert. That's all for today. Thank you.